students. Hope you all are well. This is Shweta Mitra, lecturer, Department of Agricultural Studies, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Now, you all are welcome to my today's discussion class.
Today I will discuss about experiment Nong 9, and the name of our today's experiment is determining the volume of round wood, that is wood log. Here you can see an image of your practical notebook. From the previous experiments, you already knew that you have to use only right side page of your practical notebook. Don't use left side page. Both for drawing and writing, right side page is only for uses. Here you can see name of the experiment. In the place of name of the experiment, you should write determining the volume of round wood. That is our today's experiment name. Then the experiment now. Here it should be 9. Then the page now and then the date. The date will be the submission date. Principle. Every experiment has some principle. And for today's lesson, today's experiment, the principle is volume of round wood of tree is determined with the help of Hampus law. Basically, a portion of the log wood is always lost in the process of sawing. All the woods cannot be made usable. How much usable wood will be available from a log? It may be calculated by a formula according to the Hampus law. And the formula is volume equal to middle circumference of log divided by 4 whole to the power 2 into length, and the volume of wood sheet equal to length into breadth or width into thickness. For today's experiment, some elements are required. First one measuring tape is required. This is required for measuring the circumference of tree log and the length of the log. Then our main necessary element is wood sheet of tree and wood log. In this slide you can see some other necessary elements, that is notebook, pencil and calculator. The notebook and pencil is required for write all the perimeter, and the calculator is required for calculate the volume. Working procedure. For determining the wood log volume, firstly a long wood is taken and the length of wood is measured by measuring tape. Then circumference of the middle place is measured. If the length and circumference of the wood is known, then the volume may be easily calculated. All perimeter are written in a notebook. Then the volume of log wood is measured with the help of Hampus law. Here are the calculations. Firstly, volume. Volume equal to middle circumference of log divided by 4 whole to the power 2 into length. Here the length of log is 8 meter. The circumference of middle place is 2 meter. So the volume is 2 cubic meter and it is measured with the help of Hampus law. Here you can see two diagrams. First one is used for the round wood log and second one diagram is as wood sheet. So firstly the length and the middle portion circumference is measured, and in the place of the sheet of wood length, breadth and thickness is measured. For determining the volume of wood sheet, firstly one wood sheet is taken. Then the length, breadth and thickness of the wood sheet is measured. If the length, weight and thickness of the wood is known, then the volume may be easily calculated. Then the volume may be calculated on the basis of the formula, and mustly noted down the data, that is the length, breadth or weight and thickness of the wood sheet. Here, if the length of wood sheet is 8 meter, breadth of wood sheet is 0.5 meter, thickness of wood sheet is 0.1 meter, then the volume equal to length into weight or breadth and into thickness equal to 8 meter into 0.5 meter into 0.1 meter, and the answer is 0.4 cubic meter. Some precautions. Every experiment has some precautions. Here the precautions is measurement should be taken properly, because if the measurement should not taken properly, the answer will be wrong, and then we cannot measure the actual volume. So this measurement should be. My dear students, if you have any queries or any questions about today's experiment, ask your subject teacher. They must help you. And that's all for today's lesson. Thank you all.